Friend, if you've ever been in a situation when you're out in public and you catch a whiff of yourself and it's not good, you wish you would have brought a little bit of perfume with you, this is gonna be the video for you. Touchland just came out with a great launch and I'm so excited. It just got delivered to my doorstep today. I'm gonna open up the PR package with you and share with you their all over fragrance designed to boost your mood. I'm just spray a little bit of this in my actual hair and see how my hair likes it. Wow, 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 wow. Uy, qué bonito. Touchland, this is so stinking beautiful. Oh, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for sending this over, PR Angels. Very grateful. Okay, let's test it out. We have Vanilla Velvet. So this is a hydrating body and hair mist. I probably shouldn't spray my hair unless I can tell if I like the scent. This is the vanilla. Ugh, I love this already. This Vanilla Velvet is going to be my hair scent. Wow, good job, Touchland. Let's spray this one. This is the Peachy Lychee. Oh my gumballs. I literally just found it. I found my new favorite scent. This is the biz, you guys. It smells like the most refreshing and elevated. It just smells so stinking delicious. This one, this one. I'm gonna put this one on after. I'm gonna put them. Ooh, I know I probably can't like all of them, right? Let's see. Ooh, that went into my eyeball. Mango Mojo is not my mojo. It smells good, but it's not my favorite. I'm not gonna have every one of them be my favorite. Golden Amber. Oh, that smells good. That smells very much like a nighttime, like date night vibes for sure, for sure, for sure. This Golden Amber, it's good. It smells like grounding and good. Okay, Lush Tropical. Actually, that is really delightful. That is the scent you would take with you on your tropical vacation, you guys. That smells very fruity and like light, but not overbearing. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful scent if you want something just very light and refreshing. Okay, Rich Pistachio. I'm a little scared of that one. No. Okay, if you like pistachio, you will love it. It smells, yeah, it's not my favorite scent, but it's cool if you like pistachio. We all have different likes and dislikes. It's so crazy how one person can gravitate toward a scent and the other one isn't a fan. We were all made different. Okay, let's try the Sparkling Bergamot. No, this one's not my vibe either. Draws more for like men. This could be more for your man. Or if you like more of a masculine scent, I think Cashmere Woods. Cashmere Woods is just soft and serene. It's not very much like in your face. So if you like cashmere, this would be it for you. You guys, these are my two absolute favorites. The Peach Lychee and the Vanilla Velvet. They're gonna be in my bag and I'm gonna be spraying them all the time. Oh my gosh, right now we're spraying. I just got my hair done, so I'm going to spray a little bit of this in my actual hair and see how my hair likes it. Oh my gosh. Lychee. I'm gonna spray this on here. My goodness, you guys, that smells so stinking good. This is gonna be my winter spring fragrance, probably even into summer. Love it, love it, love it. Touchland, congratulations on such a lovely, lovely launch. You guys are amazing. Thank you for sending this over to me to review and open up with my tribe. I love you guys so much, and you knocked it out of the park with this all over fragrance mist. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one, God willing. Adios.